Now welcome to Sri Ganit Vijnana Sarvaswam JEE and MSET online video channel. This video is presented by B. Ramesh Kumar, JL in Mathematics. Today our topic is circles in senior intermediate. Here I am showing weightage of marks in various examinations. That is IPE, Intermediate Public Examination, IIT JEE Mains, MSET and JEE Advanced. Now the next column will be showed various questions and weightage of marks. Now I am telling about introduction on circles. Now I am telling about the definition of circle. You see the diagram. Here C is fixed point and P is moving point on the plane with constant distance. Here we observe that P is moving around C. Then the locus of P is called circle and the fixed point is called center and the constant distance is called radius. Now I am going to classification of circles. We observe that the circles are classified based on the radius. If r equal to 0, then the circle is called point circle. If radius equal to 1, then the circle is called unit circle. If r is greater than 0, then the circle is called real circle. If r is less than 0, then the circle is called imaginary circle. The next stand form of the circle. Here, if center C equal to hk and radius equals to r, then the standard form circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now, first of all, we find the distance between from fixed point to C, hk, and squaring on both sides. Then the stand form of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. And if center equal to 0, 0, then an equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to r square. This is the stand form of the circle. The next one is condition for general second degree non-homogeneous equation represents a circle. First of all, let us the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is second degree non-homogeneous equation. Now this equation represents a circle if this is satisfy some conditions. Now that are coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. Here coefficient of x square equal to a and coefficient of y square equal to b. Now a equal to b. This is the first condition. And coefficient of xy will be 0. That equal to h equal to 0. And we find radius g square plus f square minus ac is always greater than or equal to 0. Now here we get the values of g and f and a and c. Now substitute these values in the form of radius, which is always greater than or equal to 0. Now any second degree non-homogeneous equation satisfies these three conditions, then the equation of circle is ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here the center C equals to minus g by a minus f by a, and radius equals to square root of g square plus f square minus ac by mod a. Next we go to different forms of equation of circle. Here we observe that the diagram, the circle passing through the origin and cuts x-axis at a of a comma 0 and at b of 0 comma b, and we observe that the circle is passing through origin 0 0 and has intercepts a and b on the x-axis and y-axis. Then equation of circle is x square plus y square minus ax minus by plus c equals 0. Here the center of the circle is a by 2 b by 2. This is midpoint of the points a and b. This is one of the form of the equation of circle. Another different form of equation of circle. We observe that the diagram. Here circle touches x-axis at the point M, and the center of the circle equal to hk. Then the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to k square. Here radius equal to k because of the perpendicular distance from the center to x-axis is k. This is always equals to radius also. Therefore here radius equal to k. Then the circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to k square. Another different form of equation of circle. Here we observe the diagram. The circle is touches y-axis at the point N and the center hk. Then the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to h square. Here radius equals to h because of the perpendicular distance from the center to y-axis equal to h. Therefore the radius equal to h. The equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to h square. Another different form of equation of circle. We observe the diagram. Here also the circle touches both x and y axis at the points M and N. Here the center of the circle is HH because of the circle touches both x and y axis at having same distance h units. Therefore radius of the circle equal to h also. Then the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus h whole square equal to h square. This is the form of equation of circle. Another form of equation of circle. Here we observe the diagram. In this, circle touches x-axis and cuts off intercepts on y-axis at the points A and B, having the length 2L, and center of the circle is HK. We observe CM be the radius and CN is perpendicular distance from C to y-axis, and the equation of circle is x square minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to k square. Here find the value of k equals to square root of h square plus l square. We observe the diagram. In this, CB is the radius. In the triangle CNB, applying Pythagoras formula, we can find radius that equals to square root of h square plus l square. This is the form of equation of circle. Next form of equation of circle is, we observe the diagram. Here the circle touches y-axis at n and cuts off intercepts on x-axis having length 2m at the points A and B, and the center of the circle is HK. CN is the radius of the circle and CM is the perpendicular distance from center to x-axis. Then the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to h square. Here h equal to square root of k square plus m square. Now we observe the diagram. The triangle CAM is right angle triangle. CA is the hypotenuse. Now using Pythagoras formula, already we know AM equals to small m and CM equals to k. Then find CA, that will be h, that equals to square root of k square plus m square. This is the form of the circle. Next we go to different form of equation of circle. First we observe the diagram. In this diagram, the circle passing through the origin 0, 0 and center of the circle lie on x-axis. Here center is h, 0. Y coordinate will be 0 because of on x-axis y coordinate always 0. Then equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal h square. Here radius of the circle equals to h. Because of we find radius of the circle, that is distance between center and origin. It will always equals to h. This is the form of this circle. The another form of equation of circle, we observe the diagram. Here the circle is passing through the origin and the center of the circle lie on y-axis. Here the x coordinate will be 0. Then the equation of circle is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to k square. Here radius of the circle equals to k because of here x coordinate will be 0, and find distance between center to origin or origin to center. This will be k. Therefore, radius equals to k. This is the form of the circle. These are different forms of equations of circle, and this topic is to be continued in the next video.
So, wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.